All right, we're making a journal page for our art scrapbook. Here we go. First off, we're going to take some distress paint in the color of linen and just use a foam brush and paint over the entire piece of watercolor paper. Give it a good dry. Then I took a nice stencil with some handwriting on it and used Forest Moss Green Distress ink. I then took a wonderful stencil from Unity Stamp Company and used some texture paint to make some texture on my page. Dried it up. This stamp is called Search for the Moments. Stamped it up and just used some embossing powder and heated it to make it have a nice little texture addition to our page. Used the Forest Moss Distress ink to do some ink smooshing all over the page, and then did some drying. Took my blending tool and just blended the ink across my page. I figured it needed a little more vintage look, so I took a vintage photo color of distress ink and put that on there as well. Here I just grabbed a page from an old book that I had and also just distressed up a couple pieces to add more dimension to my project. Glued it on, grabbed a tag, did a little bit of a texture on the side. Also just took some of all the elements that I had used previously and put it on the tag along with some stamping. Now it's just time to assemble, grab my pictures, grab my sentiment, and go ahead and just assemble the page as I see fit, using a little washi here and there and putting it wherever I thought it would look wonderful. Added a tiny little picture and then just stamped up some more dimension onto the project. Voila!